All right, welcome back to the part 3 video and answering that second test question. What is the total cost of a pair of socks with a 7% tax, and the socks cost $8.73 pre-tax? So, since tax is an addition, or we added it to the cost of the item, in this case $8.73 for the pair of socks, your total cost will equal the item, in this case again $8.73, plus the tax, which would be 61 cents. 0.61, excuse me. How do we find the tax? We multiplied the decimal value of the tax. 7% as a decimal is 0.07. We multiplied that times the item, and we got the tax value. Now, in order to get the total cost, you add them together. What did you come up with? Total cost is $9.34. Answer is C. Answer to that second question is C. So I have some suggestions here for you that you could use. Pardon, that was not a very smooth transition. Pardon me. Do some internet searches for worksheets with answers for, and you fill in the blank with the stars I have down here below. And that'll help you build your knowledge, skills, and abilities. Remember, you want answers because you want to know if you're doing it right or doing it wrong. If you're doing it right, just keep on doing it. If you're doing it wrong, look at the steps you're taking. Find where you made a mistake. Each time you do that, you get better and better and better. You absolutely can do this. The GED, the HiSET exams are passable. People do it every day. Don't quit. Don't give up. You can do this. All right. Also, along with some of these searches, you can look at my videos like converting fractions to decimals to percents, and then percents to fractions to decimals. Those will help you understand. And then, of course, you want to conduct some of these internet worksheets provided. How to convert a percent into a decimal. Find some worksheets. Practice that skill with answers. Know and understand if you're doing it right, you're doing it wrong. Come back. Watch my videos. How to find taxes of items to purchase, right? How are you going to find those taxes? There are plenty of worksheets out there that will help you practice those skills. Practicing addition with decimals. Practice adding values with decimals. If you're not given let me rephrase this. If you're not allowed a calculator for specific type of problems, you got to understand how to multiply, add with decimals, right? So that's one of the skills you want to work on. Practice finding total cost of items with markups, which is you add, like we did with tax. Tax is a type of markup. And discounts, right? You would find the value of discounts the exact same way we found the taxes. Convert the percentage into a decimal, multiply times the total cost of the item, and instead of adding that value for a discount, you would subtract it. Also, watch my videos on percents to decimals and vice versa. Thank you for joining me. Math is easy. Take it step by step. Hey, if I've helped you, please help me to help others. Like, follow, share, subscribe. Thank you so very much for your time. I'm hoping these videos are helping you in preparing for these standardized math assessments. You can do it. Absolutely. Keep trying. Don't stop.